on the first. Ngarauru just making it out on the field now, and they've got the support also of their male team. They're all coming out in force. Red bands everywhere. Okay, oh, looks good down there. Doesn't it look good? Wish we could see this, put this on the TV. Oh, yes. Hey, I love it. This is going to be good. I can just see this going off.
Right, does it look all right? They're done. All good?
We're back on, and there are the girls ready to do battle. Oh, look at a lot of excitement out there in the Atiawa team. They're up against a very, very good side here in Ngarauru. They proved themselves in their lead-up games that they've got firepower all over the park. And this is going to be a really, really good game. So, I'm not sure who's going to kick off yet. We've got toss being made at the moment. Freedom has made the toss, and they are going to run into the wind, and it'll mean that Ngarauru will kick off. Now, I think if there is a tie at full time, we will play extra or golden point. I have to clarify that as soon as we see the boss man walk by. That will be clarified.
First to score, is it?
Well, yeah, probably. But I'm not too sure. When you be in the final, they may play extra time, 5 minutes extra time each way or something like that. I'm not too sure. It's not going to make much difference at the end of the day, but it has been a long, grueling battle for these teams to participate for 2 days.
Yeah, you got to admire them, Terry.
Yeah, mate. Especially the girls, they're not sort of used to this battering they've been getting.
Yeah.
But the boys have been doing it for a few years, and now that we've got some numbers in our women's section, well, the Wahine have been conditioning themselves.
That's a fair kick, eh?
What are you doing? Pick it up and go. You don't let it roll, dude. Go. Oh, she picked it up anyway. She was sitting there waiting for it to roll over the ball, unknowing that then they would have had to drop kick out on the goalpost. In the end, it didn't roll far enough. She picked it up and had to scoot out of that end goal. That second tackle there. Now, running from dummy half. Good offload. Moving the ball out to the left in their own half. Danger, danger, danger.
Oh, they'll get out of here. Look at the pass well. If the big girl's running. Here they go.
No. We need a little... Oh, I'll tell you, they're going to make an error in here. They needed to run from dummy half a couple of times and kick it. There she goes.
Oh, yeah, here we
Natty.
go.
Natty.
Daddy?
Ho Papa.
Ho Papa.
Natalie.
Natalie, I see.
Boom. They got to their kick, so right, well taken.
Oh,
Well taken there by the number 18, Alicia Williams. I think. Yes, sir. Too bad. That's the name I've got.
well, good tackle.
That's second tackle, and they're right on halfway now, so they're going to be on the goal line by the time they get to their final tackle.
Well, I think they'll
And
kick.
here's tackle 3.
Yeah, good 3 in the tackle there, big girls.
They're just doing the simple things,
That's right.
pushing
Doing
down the field.
basics.
Here's tackle 4. What a hit!
Oh, she's
That
hurt.
was no, she's all right.
Oh, she waved out or something.
Yeah, you can't hurt these girls, mate. They're tough.
Oh, yeah, well, look at the way she's walking now.
Oh, she's all right. That's the last tackle. And they're going to put a little kick in. They do. And we lose the ball in this corner. So, oh, well fielded by Atiawa. Ooh, a bit of a flop there. And up we go. Okay, running the ball out. Gee, that's my granddaughter. Way to go, Tony.
Hey.
A bit one-eyed there.
Bit of bias there.
Here goes Logan.
Oh, well done.
Logan
Great.
Birch.
Good run.
I'm pretty
good
sure
run.
it is. It's hard to see on that screen here.
There's your muckle.
Well, yeah, she's there. She's had her run. Oh, there's old Moana.
Moana Jane.
Yeah, she's been playing well all week. She didn't too. She's been. Oh, went backwards.
Well,
Here we go. Freedom Edwards. Way to go, Freddie. Gets up, plays the ball.
nice play
Must
the
be
ball.
nearly
She
ready
must
to
have
put
taught
the
her how
ball
to play
back.
the ball,
Another
Jerry.
kick. Oh, it's a high changer.
Hoist to the Chenga. Who used to say that?
Oh, over in Australia.
No, it was a
It
New
was.
Zealander.
No, it wasn't. It was in Australia because it was Changalanglands. Changalanglands used to put that bomb up before Johnny Peard used to play with Parramatta. You don't remember those
I
things.
do so.
Well-
I watched them play.
Well, it's the
I
high
saw them
Changa. It used to be
come
that
up for a
joker,
kick.
you
I
know,
hoisted a Chenga.
high Changa.
Ooh,
Hey, strong run.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
look, yeah, she's,
Marked up well there.
that's your danger forward there.
Now to put a
3
big girl
dummy
on a
half
big girl.
running, goes out through the back line. Oh, nice work.
Yeah, she's a
Good
good strong
tackle.
runner, that one.
China Ray made that tackle. Nana. Here we
There
go.
you go.
Oh, we've got an awkward bounce here. We're in trouble.
Yeah,
Yes,
they
they've
scored.
scored that. You cannot let the ball bounce. You've got to take it on the full, and they made that fatal error, and the ball bounced 90 degrees and was taken down by Ngarauru, and they have scored the first try of the match from a bomb, which was always going to be on the cards. They're going to have field position with this little wind blowing behind them. They keep kicking the ball down.
Just a little message to you, Terry.
Is that from who?
Natasha Giddy.
Hi, Natasha. Edmonds. Oh, sorry. Yes, it is too. What do they call it? Edwards. Oh, sorry, Natasha. Yes.
Thank you for the message. Thank you for the message. Got to get it right, eh?
Yes. Freedom Edmonds.
He gets too excited, you see.
I do. She's growling.
Yeah.
She's growling at me.
Yeah, go to growling.
You know, I've got 4,000 names here to read. Yes, okay. Now they're going to take the conversion kick. It's directly in front of the goalpost, and
There it is.
it is
6 points.
successful. So it is 6 points to 0. And right now there's a bit of a comeback here.
Well, they never
Atiawa girls.
really worked their way out of the their
No.
half.
Yes, we needed a couple of dummy half runs.
Just
and,
it's
so
not,
forth.
not
but never mind.
throwing around.
They can have the benefit of this breeze in the second half. They use it properly. Properly. What sort of word is that? Properly.
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 Oh,
Okay.
we said properly.
I know. I speak to very good England, eh? Okay.
Say it in Māori.
Atiawa to kick off. Taken well by Oh, she's bumped it on.
That's
Oh, a little.
what they wanted. That's what they
It was
needed.
a little low pass there, though. It just dropped away on her, you know, and made the error. Atiawa wanted.
There was no pressure on that.
Now, what the mistake made in Atiawa's game last time is they didn't feed that winger over there,
On the far side.
their left winger. Every time they got out into the centres, they brought them back to the middle. Kept playing away from him. They got to play to her. They drive in it just outside that 5'8", in there.
Yeah.
This girl, here they go. They're going exactly right place. Bang, right there. Now, go for that wing. Oof.
Let's come back to the
They
boy, mate.
do it all the time. Anyway,
Why
it's not a
didn't you
bad
give 'em-
position.
Why didn't you tell them?
Well, they should go to the goalpost now. Oh, come on, mate. Oh, that's a high tackle on my granddaughter.
Oh, go out there.
She's bad enough now. She got wallops all over her head as it is, and they're still giving up. Oh, my God. Nina, bad luck, Nina. That was Nina tongue it up. Yeah. Oh, you want to see the head of my granddaughter? She's got bruises all over it, mate.
Well, you have seen it.
I know, she's only short, and they keep whacking her in the head. Never mind, she's tough.
Harden up.
As long as you got a mouth guarded. I don't want to go into to bring her on the dentist bill.
Well,
You know how expensive those dentists are. You know,
Her auntie's back now, so she can get her.
her auntie, it's her cousin, isn't it?
Oh, cousin, yeah, whatever.
Yeah. We'll get
Auntie.
free. Auntie, is it?
Nah.
Well, work it out. Your daughter, my granddaughter. What are they, cousins?
She's a dentist. She can fix her teeth.
Well, I hope so. I hold you to that because they keep whacking her in the head.
Well, you can pay for it.
Oh. Pay for it? What do you mean? Pay for it?
Yeah, good run, that one. Come on.
Good tackle. Got to get it out to that little Rocky out there. Rocky. She can motor.
Well, here we go.
What was that? Second
They're
tackle?
working their way out of here pretty well. Nice passing too. Yeah.
There's
Good
the
run, big
danger.
strong
This is
runner
the
here.
danger. Oh!
Atiawa's
Lost
ball
it
now.
backwards. Lost it backwards. No. That's got to be fourth tackle.
All right.
Here we go. Moving the ball. Oh, that's a penalty. She ran behind. She ran behind her own player. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw it.
Faded across.
I want to see if the referee did.
No, he ruled a knock on by the person she passed to, but she had gone behind her own player. There could have been a penalty to Atiawa, but he's given a scrum feed to Atiawa, which is at least I got the ball back. Well, I shouldn't be saying that. It sounds like I'm a bit biased.
Yeah, you are. It does. It does.
Wonder why I'd be a bit biased, Howard.
Yeah, well,
Just because
you only got one eye.
my baby's out there. My
Moana
Johnny Ray.
What's Moana Jane doing in the second row? She should be loose.
Oh, she's busy. She likes to be around the ball, mate.
Well, she ain't.
Yeah, she is. She does a lot of work. Righto, dummy half in. Nina Tangida scooting from.
Yeah, she's bringing it back for her.
Yeah, she
Maybe.
gets up and runs. They're in 35 out. Here's Moana here.
Yeah, she goes.
Boom. She loves it, doesn't she?
Yeah, she's tough ass.
Okay, here they go. Bringing it back into the middle of the field. Short ball. Must be what? Third, fourth tackle? I wouldn't
Yeah,
count.
it's coming up.
Oh! Did the old mousetrap, mate?
Sneaky.
Nah, see? Got second rows out there. They've got to get it to Rocky. Rocky will run around that other winger. Get it to Rocky.
There it is.
Oh. Here she
Here she
goes.
goes.
She's got to go on the outside of her. See, they pass at her feet. She had to come back in and pick it up. Oh, last tackle.
Well, they can keep him in now.
Well, we'll see.
Well, they-
Ruck it
well,
out.
they have
There's this danger player here, number 12.
Yeah, she's a good player.
Yeah, that's the one. We got to
Look at
get
that
her
one.
legs or she'll go all the way.
What's her name?
Oh, what was that? Late flop.
Oh, hey, there you go.
Yes. Her name is Haley Gabriel. That's a flash name.
Yeah, I was going to say that's a nice name. I really
Like
like that name.
French, and it sounds like French.
There you go. So let's have a look at the kick, Terry. See what sort of distance it gets.
Wow, that's a
That's
kick and a half.
Well, that's a one they
How
got.
far
Eh?
did that go? That's gone 50 metres.
No, not that far.
Well, it went from just here,
Yeah.
inside the 20, to down to that 20.
I'm not going to argue.
30.
Not going to argue.
It's 20. That's 50 metres.
Here we go.
Right. Here we go.
Nice running now.
Got a few in that tackle. Yeah, dropped up.
Good
That's
numbers.
tackle 1.
Good tackle.
Right.
Oh, good running.
Yes,
He's
yes.
coming on with pace.
She beat China Ray there. Stepped inside it.
Oh, you'll have to
Look
teach her.
out, big
Ooh,
timber.
Good tackle. She lost that ball.
What happened there? I
She
can't
lost
see the
ball.
ref. Oh, another penalty. Wow. Well, been a bit
Well,
lopsided
they
with the
kick the
penalty
goals.
count here. Never mind. Must be infringing. 24. Yes, this is another good power run.
Be careful here.
We had number. Oh, fumble. What happened there? It's not a try though, because he hasn't put his hand up at the. Oh,
Penalty.
it's a penalty.
Yeah.
Another penalty.
I think they dived it at her when she was picking up the ball.
So that's 3 penalties in a row here.
Yep.
Surely they're gonna must get advantage here. Here comes 8.
Yeah, number 8.
Get her legs, or you're gonna suffer. Get her legs.
You are showing your bias, Terry.
I am. I can't help it, people. I'm just saying. Now number 24 and 12. Here they go. Oh, cut 12 out. Oh, what he used it. Yes, good D. Second tackle. Here we go.
Oh, good tackle.
That's 3 tackles. 24. Danger.
Oh, got that ball away too.
4 tackles.
That's close to
They're
the line.
desperately defending here. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, hang
There
on.
they go.
That is 5th and final.
Good defense. Good defense.
They have defended well. That's off three penalties.
Oh, they haven't come up for it though.
Oh, couldn't hang on, eh?
Couldn't do that yet.
4 points, and that was that winger in the corner. And what was her name? Sorry. But sucking the big ones in here. Good try, good try.
Well done there. They put a lot of pressure on Ngarauru.
Yes, well, they got 3 penalties from the referee, didn't he? You know, it's a lot of weight, mate.
Whatever.
So, okay, we'll give them another 4 points, I suppose. Yeah, haven't had much possession. But that makes it 10 points to 0. It's a wide kick out. I won't say she won't get it because she can probably knock it over. Okay, he's looking there. He's going to do a Reese Walsh, rock back and forwards and look up and look down. Straighten out the eyelashes. Ooh. Boom. No, she missed. 10 points to 0 in the first half here at Dellison Park in Waverley. And yes, the field position is very much. There you go. How you going, Rod?
Terry's just had a message from Rodney Leon Baker. Matua Terry, the fish are biting.
Don't make me fret like that.
He's got a job to do today, Rodney, so just don't talk about fishing right now.
Ring me up when you're going out. I'll come with you.
Come on then. Here we go. To see, as people could see that flag out there, that's how much wind that's in their faces at the moment. So, you know.
Oh, no.
It's
They've
going
done
up.
it again, Gil.
Oh, stop it. You could see, I could see that the angle that she was going on was kicking it out, didn't it?
Well, that's another penalty. That's 4 penalties in a row now. Not saying they're not deserved. I'm just
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
it's the weight of the position has gone strongly against them with the. I mean, all you got to do is just belt it straight down into the wind, don't you?
Yeah, man.
You kick it across the wind here, and it's going to blow back into your face, and you're going to fail to commit to kicking at 10 metres.
What a run, man. That's a good
She
run.
ran straight over top of my granddaughter then. Don't have that, China Ray. You get up and get back into it.
Come on, you one-eyed bugger. Shut up.
Oh. Yeah, I am one-eyed. Can't help it, Howard.
That's called love.
Here she comes up. Here she comes again. Get her. Bang! Good girl, China. She's riding it like a horse. She's on her back. She's got her down, though.
Settle down.
Here we go. They're moving the ball out to the right.
And they're moving it out well.
Ooh, they're very balanced runners, aren't they?
Yeah, they are good.
They
There's a
look
good
really
seat
athletic.
beside these girls.
Yes. He gets up, plays the ball, coming back to the middle now. 21. Big
Come on,
girl.
girls, got to move up.
He's strong as an ox. Yeah, hard up, her back's hard against the line now, and it's the last tackle.
Oh.
They shifted it out, little chip. Oh, well done. Caught in the slips. She's going to be playing cricket, that girl. That was drilled straight at her, and she caught
Oh,
it.
she caught it. Yeah. So here you go.
Nina tongue it up. Nina tongue it up. Step,
No,
bang,
Nina.
good, bang.
Good run, good run. Just
Oh.
another little dummy half run. Just get out of there.
That's all you need.
There she goes. She's going.
Go, Rocky.
Oh,
How come I know all
she
these
comes
girls?
on, come to her right, she would have made a bit walk around. Oh, nice pass. That's good. Huh?
Look
Good,
at that.
Good run. Come on.
Inside ball. Here goes Freedom. Freedom Edmonds. Up the halfway. Oh, that's a penalty ref. So he didn't let him release. Oh. Here, give it a Rocky. Give it a Rocky. Give it a Rocky. Oh, we kicked it. Oh, never mind.
Settle down.
That's
settle
good yardage off their own goal line, mate.
Yeah, no,
She
that is-
fielded that kick, went straight to her belly. She grabbed it in, and they've worked it right up to the other
Well,
opposition,
watch
20
this,
metre.
Watch this.
You got all right.
They
Here we
got
go.
to tackle hard now. Keep it
Yeah,
down
tackle. That's second tackle.
there. Here we go.
Here it comes.
There's a big runner's coming.
Boom. Get a
Here
legs.
she comes.
That's third tackle. That's a good
Oh,
15
Moana
metre
Jane.
run there.
Geez, oh, Moana Jane will be
Yeah,
tired
she
tonight.
will be.
Nice pass.
Oh, good cover. Good cover. That's the fourth tackle.
Here we go.
Oh,
Knock it
jersey
down.
grabbing.
Just knock
That's
that-
fifth and final.
Someone pokes her hand out.
Now
push
the
her
kick.
away,
Now the
knock their
kick.
hand
They
down.
put a nice kick up here. Yeah, she's at number 6 is always a. What a bomb! Oh, good girl. What happened?
Quarter and goal. That's a rugby union.
Must be Miles. Oh, she scored a try.
Yeah. Well, it's 20 meters.
Oh,
It's a rugby union.
is it? Wow.
That was good. I mean, that was a good set, actually. They went through and they
Well, it was
kicked.
a fantastic
well.
bomb because when it went up above this roof here. And I couldn't see where it went. I knew it was heading towards the goalpost, and that's an awkward place to catch a ball. Coming down around all
Well, the
that.
wind would carry it. You see, all you do is kick it in the air. And,
But it
and
went
the
so
wind would
high,
take it.
you know, when it was up there, it's
Yeah, it was
snow
up.
on it when it came down.
Yeah.
So,
So, well done, girls. You did good.
no, I
Atiawa,
don't
we're
know.
going to have to work hard to
Don't
get back
encourage
and win
them
this
too
game, man.
much.
Well, they can't hear me.
Well,
That's all I'm saying.
and the kick is successful.
It
And
just
that
depends
is
how Atiawa responded.
16
When they've got the
points to
win.
nil, and that is halftime.
Yep.
16-0.
That's
Well, they know what to do.
well. If the
You're going to have to kick the ball and stick it up.
who coaches the what's the team?
I'm not too sure. There,
Atiawa.
he or she is out there. I'm not too sure. What are girls? You've done all right. The other opposition deserves their lead.
Well, that took a lot for you to say that.
Well, it did, but honestly, they're well disciplined side. They've got key positions with good ball controllers in the halves, and that number 6
Oh, Shane
her
Cassidy. Yeah.
name is how do you say that? Corey
Nikki Wendell.
Nikki Wendell.
That's her name?
She's controlling this game really well.
Yeah.
And she's
Hey,
got a great kick on it.
we got a call from someone listening over or watching over in Sydney. Awesome.
Sydney. Have you seen John Niwa over there?
Has he come home yet?
Well, no, he's still in Australia somewhere. We lost him. Yeah, the boys went over to the grand final and they came back and there was no Mr. Niwa with them. So if you see him around Australia, people, put him in the post and send him home.
Thank you for letting us know,
Serenity.
Serenity,
Yeah.
King Cassidy, Kapai looking after the Wahine is my pop, Shane Cassidy.
Yes, yeah, we got him. We
Well
got it.
done. Well,
Thank you, Serenity.
He's taught them really well.
Yeah, they're doing them proud. They're playing their guts out. But they're up against a really strong side here.
Well-
And they deserve to be in the final, both teams. And there's been a couple of
Well, the key thing
Kicks
is
have
he's
come-
using the wind well now.
they have. They scored 2 tries from kicks.
Well, that's right. So this is what Atiawa has to, recognise and do the same thing because the wind's not going to disappear, So put it in the air, put the pressure on the.
What do you mean the wind's not going to disappear? You can't see wind.
Well, you can see them moving the trees.
It's already
anyway.
disappeared.
What I'm saying, you can feel it. All right.
Oh,
You know what I'm trying to say.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's not gonna dissipate.
No, it's not going to dissipate.
Yes.
So that means we've got to use it. The wind.
We need a bit of field
To keep them
position
in there.
first. Use the first
Well,
3
you'll get it
tackles.
from the tree. From the
First 3
wind.
tackles, zip out from there, get in the halfway, get in some kind of a position, have a look at the situation, and then work to get resets. Don't worry about the bomb all the time.
Well, I have to say that Ngarauru used
Mm,
it really well.
spectacularly, actually.
Right. So,
Breaking my heart. But
oh, you one-eyed. You got
I
one ear.
am.
I should call you bung-eye.
Bung eye.
Yeah, you only got one eye today.
one eye. Yeah.
Ooh, Wineti McConnell. Ooh.
What did they want?
Let's go, Ngarauru. Finish them off. Ooh.
That's fighting talk. Who said that?
Hey,
Who said
Wineti McDonald.
that? McDonald.
Oh, Boyd Healy. Yeah.
Boyd Healy.
Oh, Boydie. Good skills all around, Wahine.
Oh,
Crack up.
Boydie, good to hear from you, Boydie. Brisbane Mannies, or he coached the women team over
Thank
there?
you, Darianne.
Or is that Uncle Boydie, or is that
Oh,
young
we
Boydie?
are,
That must be
aren't
young Boydie, is it? Young Boyd.
I
Brisbane.
don't know.
Oh, is it Perth? Perth, there's a Boyd.
Well, I don't know. Boydie over in
Perth.
Perth.
Well, this is the one in Brisbane.
Oh,
He
okay.
coaches. He's got a good team. Well, when I was over there, he was coaching the team. They were all right too. When I watched them play. Yeah. But now I don't know. He might be up there just coaching up at that NRLW level. That's some pretty good players.
Philo.
Philo.
Yeah, grinding our teeth. Here we go.
Frustration.
Now that ball, which way is that going to go, Terry? Is that going short?
It's going to go that
straight
way.
up
It's
in
going
the air,
down that
and
down.
It's going to carry.
Well, it wouldn't hardly anyway.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, they should
Straight
have
up in the air.
That's all right. We've got a good start, no penalty, and we started the second half now. 16 points to nil. Oh, a knock on. That's what they needed right from the start of the game. Thank you.
Oh, Auntie Mo, eh?
And
She put her hands up
put it,
on the happiness.
right. Come on, pack the scrum down. Let's get in here. Don't muck around. You've only got 20 minutes.
Yes. They got to.
Am I sounding one-eyed?
Yeah,
I am.
terribly,
I've
terribly.
got to get out of
That's
this
all,
commentary.
bung-eye. I'm going to call you bung-eye from now
Oh,
on.
mate. I can't help it.
Oh,
Right, here we go.
here we
Let's
go.
see what they're going to. They're going to move out. Where's Rocky? Oh, Rocky's on this side of the field this time.
Mo's going to pick it up.
She's
Here it
gonna.
comes. There she goes.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness!
Yes.
Right, Enid.
Did that ball go forward?
No.
Oh.
Okay, Nina's
Yeah,
there in that pivot. They're moving across to the right-hand side of the field. Nina cutting back to the middle, offload.
Come on, come on.
The defense is strong.
Yeah, it is good. It's
But
good.
never mind,
No,
we're in
no,
an attacking position.
Oh, that's a penalty.
That's a. Oh, is it?
That's a penalty. Of course it
You
was.
sound a bit one-eyed then.
Well, no. Rodu.
Yeah, they dribbled
the
back
ball.
there. Yeah, they got in, they interfered
Yeah.
with the play the ball.
Do you think it was deliberate?
No. It was pure accident.
Oh, come on, Bungo.
Oh, well,
was
you
waiting
know,
for
we- here we go.
Here we go.
First tackle.
Look at that.
Moana Jane. Oh, I think Rocky out here might be her daughter. Here we go. They're moving the ball. Oh, who
passing.
passed that ball? Oh my goodness.
Was
me.
it your granddaughter?
No. No, it wasn't.
Looked like her.
No. Oh, that was too high. That ball was too high.
Oh, just yeah.
Right. What about a six-man shove in the scrum and try and go in a tight head?
No, you haven't got
You
time for
haven't
that.
Put
Not
the
rugby.
push. You fumble them sometimes.
Yeah.
Here we go. They're moving the ball out to the wing.
Oh, it's been a nice
And
pace
no,
out there.
take her into touch. Get her. Oh, vicious.
Here we go.
One tackle.
A good
Two,
tackle.
tackle
Nice
two.
chase out from the winger.
Yes. Lani Kingy. Chase out. She's chasing out. Oh, she nearly. Oh no, she didn't run behind her.
Yeah,
That's
I know.
tackle
I know
three.
You wanted her to, though.
Tackle 3. She nearly ran behind her own man. Own player.
Here we
Here,
go,
look at
the
danger,
runner goes the power
danger.
runner.
This one, get her legs. That's it. Who tackled her? Good tackle. Tackle 4. Whoa! What a tackle!
Oh,
That's
nice
it.
Tackle, nice tackle.
Well done. That's the last tackle. They're kicking.
No, they're not. They're running it.
Oh, they're running. Ball carrier. Kitty's got up. Kitty's got up.
She got a try back.
Oh. She stretched out and got in. Well done. I thought the covering fullback had her covered, but she held her up, but she stretched out and scored a lovely try. Yeah, see, they ran the
What
ball.
was her name? Come on.
Well,
Number 3.
no, it was number 5.
Number 5.
Yeah,
Oh, it was 2.
number 5. It was Alice
Arton.
Arton. Alice Arton.
That's what I was
Yeah.
like.
She set up, She sort of set up and then she just reached out and he was close enough to dot her down.
Yeah.
Good try. They ran out. They ran the fifth and final. I thought they were kicked in.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of space down the outside there on the right and shifted the ball and
Right, Jeanette.
fair enough.
Rokawa McGregor claims a double movement. Would you agree? You'd like to agree.
No, because the arm carrying the ball
Never hit the ground.
never touched the ground and
That's
she was in a position where
What she had to do was
she could
ground it.
extend. Yeah. So, no.
No, the wind's too strong.
Okay, so that does improve things for Ngarauru
Yeah.
with a score moving to 20 points to 0. And yes,
Well, they're playing better. They're actually playing better. Yeah, there's been a lot of errors with.
do you have to
Atiawa.
rub it in?
I'm just telling you what's happening, Terry.
Well, I mean, the whole world knows it, but you're just rubbing it in, mate.
Well,
You're rubbing it in with a wire brush, mate.
Yeah, well, your skin's getting getting a bit red, I have to say.
I
You're going
know.
all red in the face. It's like it's going bush on its
It's
head.
all right. I'm trying to be neutral here.
Yeah, trying.
And
You just don't know how to do that.
we're going to kick it. We're going to kick it the other way this time. Just kick it straight down the field, Bill.
Yeah.
Don't mind about the angle. She's hooking though. There you go. That's better. Down she goes. Knock it on. Boop. Oh no.
Here we go. Skill can run.
Boop.
Throw her out.
Yeah.
No.
You got her. She got her. Good tackle, Lana Kingy there. Tackle 2. Yeah, that. Shifting the ball out to the right-hand side. And another good strong run there.
Bit of a head clash there.
Yeah. No mind, it's not rugby union. You don't get sent off or smash in someone's face with your own face. Whoa, that's it. Now that's the tackle. What's her name? Good girl.
Nice run.
Oh, bad luck. She had the right idea. She tried to pull that winger in, but Rocky stayed with her man. Stop, Rocky.
What's Rocky's surname, Terry?
Robinson.
Oh, well, there you go.
You know Dave Robinson?
Yeah.
That's his baby.
Oh,
you know,
that's Moana James playing with their daughter. Isn't that lovely?
You know their boy Isaac.
Yep, he's a good footballer too.
Well, he was lightning fast, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Here we go.
There we go. Ooh, nearly lost it.
Regained that ball. That's
Aussies would have penalised that. Oh, you know, would have
no,
stopped the game. Here they go. Here's another
whoa,
big one.
boompa. That's Logan
Tenacious
Burke.
tackling by Ngarauru.
Here we go. Moving it out. Nina Tangata. Inside ball. Boom.
Good. Yeah. Some hard meters going there, Terry.
Got some good yards going on here.
Nina.
Oh, offside. Offside. Got a penalty.
That's our first penalty.
You got a penalty, mate. Yeah.
What am I saying? It's ours.
Yeah, you one-eyed, mate.
No, I'm not. That actually slipped out.
Did it?
Here we go. There you go. Yeah, bring the big girl in there. Beautiful. Oh, she's coming through, mate.
One more.
Half the team's tackling here. Come on, girl. Play the ball fast. Yep.
Get a bit deeper, girls. You're cramming yourself a spot.
Who's the dummy after?
Rumbling again.
Defending,
they're just defending like their lives depended on it.
Oh, it does. They're going to win the final. Nice.
That could be a try. He's going to award it. There you go.
Finally smiled.
Yeah, broke the duck, mate. Broke the duck.
Should have seen his lips before. They were on the ground.
All right. That's all right. We got a try.
Yeah.
Not we.
Yeah, we.
Atiawa got a try. Well done, Atiawa. Trailing now by 20 points to 4. A little bit of wind assistance getting down there at the end. Got a penalty. Give us another set of 6. Drove into the goalpost. Spread the ball left and try. There's a famous name on there, Wynyard.
Jude Ngarauru, watching over in Brisbane. How good's that? Well,
Who was that?
Thank you.
Jude.
Yeah, Jude Ngarauru.
Oh, welcome aboard.
Probably been on all day.
Okay, we've got the kick to go this conversion. It's a long way out, and the way she's been kicking off, you know, I don't hold my breath here, but you never know, she might strike it good.
Because it's a kick right out there.
No, she's missed it. We've got 4 points on the board. That's all right, girls. You got your head held. You got your heads up now. Okay. Oh, here we go.
That straight after the game.
Okay. Hello, Ngarauru. Ngarauru.
Yeah, that's better.
What did I say? Ruru.
Yeah. You talked about all the owls.
Yeah. Mobo.
The walk.
Kick off. Slow bringing that tee out, trying to kill a bit of time here, Rip.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's right,
see that?
Jeanette. Rukawa Maguire. Oops, Atiawa.
Here we go. You also need a good set of 6 here and a kick.
Yep.
Get down that end again, put a bit of pressure on, see what you can do. Oh, get behind that ball. Go, Rocky. Go, Rocky. Oh, stop it. There's our first tackle, Atiawa there. Dummy half in. She's running down to dummy half. Made 5 metres. That's good.
No, she never. She made 3.
No, she didn't.
Come on.
Look, go. Oh, look at that girl go. That's
Is that your walk?
oh, yes, it is too. Brilliant run. Inside ball.
You
Oh,
told me she was fast.
Nina Tangita. Well, she used to be the school champion 100-metre runner, but, she physique's changed a little bit in that time.
Ooh,
Here we go.
sneaky,
Oh,
sneaky.
see, we didn't get the sneaky bounce. Oh, there was a bit of a smashing hit there.
A good bounce for you.
Didn't
Those 2
worry.
girls coming in.
Didn't worry
Come
them, though.
together.
They just kept going.
She let her do
That's a
that.
penalty. No, you can't do that.
I don't think
Unfortunately.
she actually knows the rules.
No,
eh?
they're not quite sure of the rules that you've got to be square when the ball's played.
Yeah.
They dive around in there and put their hand in. But never mind, they'll learn. This is a new game for a lot of these
Look at
people.
this. Jessica Chandler, Kia from America.
From America, Jessica.
Hey, Jessica.
Jessica Chandler
Oh,
from
here's a good
America.
run. Here's a good run. Ooh.
Oh, what a legend. What part of America are you from, Jessica? Yeah, people watching his Wahine play.
Yeah, and listen to you
Hope
talk.
you're enjoying the game.
Your
You see our young ladies
listen to your Bangai talk.
being introduced to this new game for a lot of them. Here, legs.
She can run.
Oh, well,
the clash of the Titans.
there was a clash of the Titans. Righto. Don't run there again. Here we go. Did she hit that with a foot? Strong runner here. Strong runner.
Pushed her off too.
Oh, you can't run back behind number 24, mate.
Not that long as it didn't block anybody.
Oh, good
love
tackle. Well done.
Yep.
She's a strong player, that girl. Here we go. Shifting. Yeah, this is what they do well, isn't it? They shift well. Oh, look at this. Cross kick. Oh, bad luck. Took her eye off the ball. Unlucky. She had it. She had that in the basket. And then she just at the last second, she just took her eye off it. Oh, that's it. I know her. I was talking to her over here before. Yeah. You're an old man. We're just having a cup of tea over there. Go, Freddie. Freedom Edmonds. Good drive out from their goal line. Logan Birch. Good Logie.
Look at that defensive, though. Defensive Ngarauru, mate.
Here you go, Nina Tangata running from dummy half. Great family of rugby league players, the Tangatas. Jeffrey, Willie. Oh.
What about the dad?
Oh, here, Duncan.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, a big donkey. Oh, luckily they got a penalty there. The dummy half made a little fumbling. Kick it out. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, one eye.
Oh, no.
Hey.
I'm not the
Loyal
coach.
to Atiawa.
Yeah. Oh,
It's
man.
hard. It's hard.
Still don't know where Jessica comes from when I'm in America. Tell us, Jessica. What is it? 3? What?
What are you doing?
Oh,
yeah.
no.
No. It's all right.
Whoa, down the blind side. Wow, good charging run there, was it? Oh, no. Here we go. One back.
Is this your favourite?
Yeah. Rocky.
There you go. Oh,
Nothing. Working our way. Over to. Oh, that's a 2 in the tackle. Strip. Yeah, we got another. We're going to score a try here. You wait and see. Oh, we're not. Atiawa will score a try here.
Okay, Bangai.
Bangai. Righto. Tap it and go. Hurry up.
Knock
Good
around.
pass, good pass,
Haven't
good
got time
pass.
to- Oh, nice.
Don't play with that.
Ah!
Oh, I didn't say don't play with that sideline straight away. Oh. Never mind. That's all good fun. Yes. There's Ray. Here's Ray McLean.
That's 7. Okay. Oh, hey,
Must
go
be
for
his
it.
sister. Is that your sister out there, is it? There's Ray?
Oh. To say that
Oh.
the prize giving straight after the final, the prize giving for the winning women's team will happen and be broadcast. So that's cool.
On Facebook, on Māori Rugby League, on Timori Tikurimako? No. We'll be on Facebook, on Māori Rugby League. And where we
Yeah,
go.
it's a good run
Ooh,
here.
She's strong, eh?
Yes, she is. You got well balanced.
Yes, okay, we're going to get the ball back. Oh, we. No, they need to get the ball back, but they give you many opportunities. This
They don't. That's the thing.
Ngarauru, they
Not many
can
mistakes
contain
in
the
that team.
ball. Here they go, sneaking down the short side. Here she is again. You got to watch her. She's
That little Rocky there,
yeah, little Rocky.
Rocky Robinson.
Little Rocky. Here they go. Got a wide, deep back line here. Go low on that one.
And the girls are not moving up.
Yeah,
Atiawa.
Here they go, shifting.
Look at their passes. They're good.
Yeah, nice. Oh, charge down. It's a restart. Another set of 6. And that's the first. Oh, that'll be knock on one. First tackle there. Here she comes again. Oh, that'll teach you not going low. Don't go high. They'll just slap you off. And that's second tackle. Here we go.
Nice
Coming
fend
right.
that one.
Oh, hard run here. Good low tackle.
Yeah.
Third tackle. Ooh, straight between the legs. By tunnel ball. What happened? Oh, mate. Another penalty. Oh, in trouble. They're in trouble here.
Yeah, running out of minutes. Gee. Oh, were they offside or something? Look how far he brought them
I
up.
know he's ruled him inside the 10 on that play the ball. And then here we go, 24 again. Oh, meter.
She's a powerful runner, isn't she?
Yeah, she is. That's all good. That's the first tackle. Close to the line. She'll go. She'll go. There she is. And I think she scored.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. In trouble there with that penalty.
Waiani prize giving will be live streamed on the Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League Facebook page straight after this final. There you go.
Right. I think they might
And I
do it
think
out
we
front.
know who it's going to be, Terry.
Well, it's very much a foregone conclusion now with the time ticking down and Ngarauru are playing so well. It takes 2 teams to play a game, mate. And you've got to give Atiawa credit for getting in the final.
Yep.
And I'm sure they'll be happy. A lot of them having their first games of the old rugby league. And here's the conversion attempt right now coming up, and it should go over no problem. And the flags go up. 20 points. 20, 24, 26. 26 points to 4. Okay. Deserved lead.
Kia Linda. Thank you very much.
Oh, Jessica said ouch. What did you say ouch for, Jessica?
Linda Wharetiki, Waru Lochna.
How you doing, Linda?
Yeah.
Jessica, why did
Lovely
you say
message.
ouch,
Thanks, bub.
Jessica? Did you say you were in USA or you?
What happened?
What happened?
That's it.
Oh,
Game
it's full
over.
time. Well done, Ngarauru. You deserved your victory there. Played brilliant football. Congratulations to Atiawa. after 2 days of grueling stuff.
And Terry,
Yes, Howard.
he's your hanky.
Well, I'm proud of my granddaughter. She
Yeah.
went out there. She's been playing hard for 2 days. Got
Yeah.
bumps and bruises all over her head. My beautiful darling. She's got big mouse under her left ear and